Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE with the CVT. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a sleek black satin pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch wheels. Included in your CE package is your backup camera, your power adjustable side mirrors, your fully automatic headlights for the ultimate convenience. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key. Opening it up now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty interior. On the side, you have your power windows and your power locks. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors. Below, you can see that your Corolla comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats that fit perfectly to your vehicle. You also do have that gas and trunk release. Inside, you can find your gray soft cloth interiors for the ultimate comfort when driving your new Corolla away. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Corolla with your key, simply put your foot in on the brake and that key in the ignition there. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting. Taking a look at your display there, you have that all of your fuel economy, your outside temperature. You also do have your steering wheel mounted controls like your hands-free calling voice command. You also do have your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control. On the side here, you have your volume control and mode changers. Below here, you can set your cruise control when you finally take that summer road trip. Over here, you have your modern styled LCD screen with your audio system. You have the CD player on top with your AM/FM radio. You also have your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on that screen. It's a great feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here, you have your stylish chrome trim on your climate control. You also do have that air conditioning, which will definitely come in handy on those hot summer months. Below here, you have your 12-volt DC charger as well as your USB auxiliary input. Plenty of storage solutions as well as that leather trim on your shift knob. You also do have your cup holders with that removable piece for easy cleaning, and you have your traction control below there. In your center console, you have that upper shelf for any smaller items, and below you have plenty of space to store everything that you need up front. Taking a look at your glove box here, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And there you're seeing those cool fan detailings that we know and love about our Corollas, tying in with that leather trim on that dashboard. Plenty of sporty and fun features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Opening up that trunk from the back here, simply put your key in the lock. You also do have the trunk release at your front driver position. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Corolla. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need some convertible storage. Below here, you do have your spare tire, your tools, and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You also do have a cargo lamp underneath for visibility. There's that emergency release. And what's great about your CE is that you have your backup camera available to you to help you in and out of those tight spots. So have that chrome Corolla badging as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE. Built right into your Corolla is your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.